Good day, my wonderful learners. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. And I want to encourage you to watch my first video on area of a triangle, where we talk about the formula to apply based on the condition given. The first condition is when the three sides of a triangle are given. So this is the second condition. So today's video is a continuation of my first video on the area of a triangle. So the second condition, if a side and a perpendicular height are given, the area of a triangle is equals to half base times height. That means it is half of the product of the side and the perpendicular height to it. Let's solve the following examples. Find the areas of the triangles. Let's solve the first part, 1a. From what we have here, our height is 8 cm. This is the height, don't forget. And the base is 18 cm plus 4 cm. So therefore, the base is 22 cm. Then we are going to apply the formula. The area is equals to half base times height. So we are going to have 1 over 2 times 22 cm times 8 cm. 2 here 1, 2 here 11. So 11 times 8, we are going to have 88 cm squared. Then the second part, from what we have here, our height is 13 cm. And the base, which is denoted as B, is equals to 9 cm plus 14 cm. And that will be 23 cm. So the area is equals to half base times height. So we are going to have 1 over 2 times 23 cm times 13 cm. So 1 multiplied by 23 multiplied by 13 divided by 2. So we are going to have 149.5 cm squared. Thank you.